missiles. Hope you guys are having fun building stuff, and because I know I am. It's fun being able to show you guys and to build things that I have to build. So Thursday we'll probably have the helmet put together so that we can start doing some finishing on it, and that'll be fun. We can do some painting and actually get a finished piece. It's always really cool when you're doing some kind of build. You get to the point where you've actually built something and like you get it finished and it's like, yes, I feel good. I can move forward and build some other things too. So that'll be pretty cool to have something actually done. And then I think from there, from the helmet, I'm going to make sure that I get the jacket, the shirt, the pants, and the various armor pieces done for that. That'll be done as well. And then we'll start working on the gun. I'm going to leave the back to the last. I'm going to work on the gun, get the gun all done. And then once the gun is all done, it'll just be the backpack and wings that I'll have to build. So hopefully that will go as planned. So that's what that's our plan that we're doing here. Again, you can always go find my Discord at Zach Labs, and we'll have all the materials listed there that we went over today. I'll put a link into to this guy too, where you can find him if you'd like to buy yourself your own little miniature vacuum form machine. They're so adorable, cute, and they do work really well. You'll have to get yourself some styrene. Oh, you know, the other material, and I did not mention this, styrene wise, is the material that you use to cover fluorescent lights is also made out of styrene. And you can still find sheets, like they're 2x4 sheets, and they're usually clear, and you can get like cracked ice and crystals and all kinds of cool shape on it. So if you're making any kind of weapons or props or anything where you need something to look like crystals, those are great things to use. They work really well for that. I'll show you on an upcoming show how to build your own vacuum form machine as well, so that if you want to do that. Yes, there's the Discord right there. Thank you, Meepy, for putting that up there. That's where you can join the Discord, and we got all kinds of fun stuff going on there. Announcements, thoughts of the day, general chat, things like that. So make sure you drop by and give a hi, and check out all the stuff on the Discord too. That's where we'll be putting all the information that we can't put here. It just doesn't always work. So okay, I'm going to be logging off here. Hope you guys have an amazing day. Be creative, be amazing, be kind, and the world will be a better place. So thanks for joining today, and I will see you at Thursday at 4 o'clock.